And good morning, Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a video tour this morning of a 2020 Heritage Glen 372 rear den. It's a great live-in unit, full-time unit, or for those extended stays, lots of room. We'll go through all of that. I'm going to start off here in the front compartment. The front compartment is a metal compartment, generator compatible, set up where you can install a generator or just use that, of course, for heavier items such as tools, etc. You're going to notice it's got auto level on this unit, so it's got a one-touch auto level system, solid fiberglass front cap. Coming around to the side, electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. Sorry about that. Outdoor speakers. You've got a large pass-through front compartment here. Even got a little bottle opener on the side right next to your battery disconnect. Spot to hook up the little pup while you're under the awning. Portable solar hookup right there. Everything's very conveniently located. You can add another television to this on the outside. You've got power hookup, park cable hookup, underneath quick connect for your barbecue. So like I say, they make this really user, family, fun, and ready unit. We've got the door is on spring retention, so the door doesn't fly back on you. Large solid step as we walk in with a large grab handle. And I'm going to walk you first to this back rear den. This is a spectacular area. We're going to have two opposing slides with opposing couches that both make into beds. Large television. We've got an electric fireplace that does work as a heater. As you can see, you've got lots of cabinet space here for storage. You've got two theater seats right here. Large theater, what I would call a cathedral ceiling. Beautiful molding accents on that ceiling. Nice modern lighting over the island. Microwave, upgraded Furrion oven with 3-burner range. Lots of electric hookups here. Tons of cabinet space and drawer space. 4-door refrigerator. You've got a spot here, obviously, to put whatever you want there. Coffee maker, blenders. You got a charging station there for your phone. Additional cabinet space, drawer space. Coming up into the bedroom area, we've got a king-size bed. You've got nice sliding doors, barn door style. You've got a spot here to install a stackable washer dryer. Again, USB ports and power ports on both sides of the bed. All LED lighting throughout. This is going to have 2 air conditioners. Stepping into the bathroom area, I'll let the camera do the work in there, but you've got a walk-in shower. You've got a sink that's got a nice countertop next to it. Lots of storage for toiletry items. A spot to hang your towels and robes. As we come down, you'll notice that there's a spot right here where all of your connections are, as far as your switches for your monitor panel, your awnings, your slide outs, your jack system, and also for your heat and air conditioner. And those are operated on dual zone systems, so you can have cooler in one room than the other, or warmer. Stepping back out to the outside, we've got pass-throughs in the back. This again is going to have a leveling system, mag wheels. The tires are filled with nitro so that you don't have to refill them all the time. Got dual LP tanks. They're the large 7-gallon tanks with the changeover, docking station, all enclosed, easy access to everything. A 10-gallon water heater, one spot for your dump, so you don't have to have 2 separate hoses for the dump station. Everything is very conveniently located on this unit. It's a great family unit or a great unit for a couple to live in full time. Doesn't void your warranty. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit, please feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.